You are listening to AI with Shaylee. I'm Shailendra Kumar. Imagine waking up in a world where your vision is like looking at a giant broken scoreboard, just a few random flickering light bulbs where a clear picture should be. For years, that's where vision prosthetics stuck. But today, June 6, 2024, everything is changing. The big news trending right now comes from EPFL's NeuroAI lab. They've moved us beyond just seeing light to actually perceiving objects. Instead of just throwing hardware at the problem, like we see with Neuralink's blindsight, the EPFL team, led by experts like Martin Schrimpf, is focusing on the software. They've created digital twins of the visual cortex, allowing them to simulate how a brain reacts to light before they even touch a human subject. It's a massive leap because they aren't just sending signals, they are encoding them. They take an image of a face or a doorway, predict the exact neural pattern that image would create, and then teach the computer to speak brain to mimic that pattern. I've spent a lot of my career looking at how AI mimics human behavior, but this feels different. It's not just mimicry, it's restoration. It's the difference between hearing a noise and understanding a melody. But it does make you wonder, if an AI is translating the world for you, how much of what you see is reality and how much is the AI's interpretation? Here is my bonus tip for today. When you're evaluating new AI tech, look past the hardware, the chips and the wires, and look for the translation layer. The real winners in AI aren't just those with the most power, but those who can most accurately bridge the gap between machine data and human experience. As the saying goes, the only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision. Thanks to NeuroAI, we're finally giving people both. I'd love to hear your take on this. Is the AI seeing for us or just helping us see? Join the conversation on my YouTube, X, LinkedIn, or Medium. Drop a comment and let's discuss. I'm Shaylee, and this has been AI with Shaylee. See you in the next one.